Hello everyone. Today we are making bottle gourd halwa. Begin by cleaning and cutting the edges of a medium sized bottle gourd. Peel off the skin and grate the pulp. Avoid grating the seeds as they can make the halwa bitter. If you want to fast track the cooking process, squeeze out the excess liquid from the grated vegetable using cheesecloth. Otherwise, you can skip this step, but it might take a bit longer to cook. Heat a skillet or a pan over medium heat and add a tablespoon of ghee. Into the skillet goes a quarter cup of cashews, a quarter cup of almonds, and 2 tablespoons of raisins if you have, and roast them until they turn golden brown. Once they are roasted, remove them from the pan and set them aside. Now add the grated bottle gourd to the skillet and salt for 5 minutes until it shrinks slightly and change color. Pour in 3 cups of milk and mix well. Cook for around 10 minutes or until the milk thickens and the bottle gourd is completely cooked. Add half a tablespoon of cardamom powder while the bottle gourd is cooking and then goes a quarter cup of sugar to the skillet and mix well. Adjust the sugar taste as per your ability. Let it melt and boil for about 5 minutes until the mixture thickens. If you are using KHOYA, add it to the bottle gourd mixture and mix well. Otherwise, you can directly use 3 cups of milk as a substitute for KHOYA. Once the vegetable become thicken and form a mass, add the roasted nuts and a quarter tablespoon of cardamom powder, mix well and serve it into a serving bowl.